Hi, I'm Beck from Australian Jeweller Supplies, AJS, and this is Town Talk's Exquisite Silver Sparkle Jewellery Cleaner. This Exquisite Silver Sparkle Jewellery Cleaner is medium strength and surely will revive the silver sparkle that may have been lost. It's designed for smaller items such as earrings, rings, necklaces, etc. And all you need to do is quick and easy. You place your items into this tub which houses a handy little basket, and you immerse your items for 2 minutes. There's a brush in there to dislodge any debris that you can't remove otherwise. Remove your items and rinse under running water. Inside the pack is a handy silver polishing cloth to bring out the ultimate result, the shine. Replace your liquid when it becomes cloudy.